Operator 244, what are you reporting?
Hello, hi. My name is, and I'm calling. I called last week. The address is Houston Street. I own the property. There's some people there, and I cannot get access to the property.
Okay, is it a vacant house or does someone live in it?
Yes, it's a vacant.
Okay. Do you know how many people are in there?
Usually there's two. It's a couple. But the guy is really aggressive.
Is he black, white,
and
Hispanic?
I believe you guys already sent a couple times.
Okay, I understand that. Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
Hispanic.
Okay. How old does he look approximately?
Close to 40s.
40s, okay.
30-some.
Okay, and then the woman that's there, is she black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
Hispanic.
Okay. How about her? How old does she look?
About the same age.
Okay. You said they're squatting in the house, right?
Correct.
Got it. Are you there at the location right now?
No, I don't want to be there.
Okay, so Houston Street, that's a house, right?
The address is Houston Street.
Okay. Is that a house or an apartment?
No, that's actually there was a house that it was removed, and right now it's a vacant lot right next to a church right there. And I need to clear that property. I'm getting a lot of heat from the city. Also, I already have received a fine, and I cannot access my property.
Okay, sir. So that doesn't answer the question. I'm just trying to figure out, is that a house or an apartment building? I just need house or an apartment. Which one is it?
Okay, house.
Okay, thank you. So did you want the officers to call you when they're done since you're not there?
Please.
Got it. All right, sir. We'll send a unit out. We'll have them call you when they finish, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Brother, you can't live here.
This is private property.
Private property, let's go. What's up? Hey, nobody's creeping up on you, homie. Okay? I'm not creeping up on you. I'm a cop here. Someone called us to meet here. Yeah, you need to get out of here. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't fucking scare me.
Let's go. Hey, you don't scare me. Let's go. Let's go. Well, don't come back either. Trespassing. Go to jail next time.
I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to just let you leave. Go. Your job is your job. Hey, look. Okay, look you.
They talk big shit until they get in the handcuffs.
I'm going to wait for you or what?
No! Be on your way.
I live around here.
You don't live here anymore. Bye.
Want a bet?
Yeah, one bet.
Whatever you want, my boy.
I want to bet, yeah.
Do your homework.
Go.
My family lives here, my boy.
Go, turn around, man.
Property.
Go,
My family
turn around, man.
here.
Turn around, put your hands on it.
What the fuck are you going to do, my boy?
Turn around.
What
Turn
the
around.
fuck are you going to do?
Turn around.
What the fuck are you going to do?
Turn around.
Do what you got to do, my boy. You don't fucking scare me, faggot.
Turn around.
Turn around for what? Ain't nobody acting defiant. Ain't nobody getting crazy but you.
459. Get 450. They're going. Give me back up. Put your hands behind your back. Let's go. Let's go, man. Hey.
What the fuck you think I am, motherfucker? What the fuck do you think I am?
What?
Fuck you think I am?
Who do you think
You
I
got
am?
some dumb fuck or what?
Who do you think I am?
I'm not fucking with you, you fucking idiot.
Yeah, you are. Turn around.
I'm not fucking with you. I'll turn around, but
Turn
don't
around.
fucking push up on
Turn
me,
around.
motherfucker. You
Turn
ain't
around.
no
Put your
fucking
hands on your back now.
tase you.
faggot.
Turn around. Put your hands on your back.
The fuck you think I am? You're
Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Put your hands on your back. Let's go.
Spread
your feet.
Spread
your feet.
Boy. Stop
Spread your
fucking
feet,
screaming,
man.
Little bitch.
Spread your feet.
Palms together, please.
Don't fight, man.
Ain't nobody fighting.
Don't fight.
together.
You're fighting, man.
Fuck you up, bro.
You're fighting, man.
Ain't nobody fighting.
Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Fuck you, bitch.
Right there, you need to back up.
Come on, fucker.
What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Quit, motherfucker. Quit.
Fuck you.
What the fuck is wrong with you, motherfucker?
What the fuck's wrong with you, motherfucker?
What is wrong with you, dog?
Shut the fuck
Can you
up.
put your hands behind your back, please?
You're not cooperating. You're gonna get hit again. Get on the fucking ground.
Doing, motherfucker?
Get on the fucking ground. Go and tase the man.
Fucking hit me.
Get on the fucking ground.
We got backup coming right now. Come on, come on. Come on, put your hands behind your
Shut the
back.
fuck up,
Put your
man.
hands.
Who are you, dog?
Shut the fuck
What
up.
the fuck is wrong with you, my boy?
Shut the fuck up.
What the fuck is wrong with you, dog?
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out.
What the fuck is wrong with you, guy, dude?
Shut the fuck up.
453, 415, man.
You fucking grabbed my hand, motherfucker. That's why I hit you.
I didn't grab your shit.
You grabbed my hand. So shut the fuck
I didn't
up.
grab shit, but okay, do it here.
I had you. You fucking grabbed your hand.
Suspect in custody.
Dog, screw. I'm not tripping. I ain't saying shit.
How'd my finger get like that? How'd my finger get like
I
that?
bet you.
Steele, chill out, all right? 453, Rogers, gonna be a 4-4, suspect in custody.
She wasn't cooperating.
Huh?
Guys, he's the most friendly guy, right?
He's the most friendly. Get inside. He's the most friendly guy. He fucking attacked me.
I really don't. But he's a really good
Just get inside.
guy. I'm trying to tell you guys.
Get inside.
I don't want